A smart lock is an ideal security upgrade for any home. I tested the latest models and am ready to recommend the top performers as follows. Number 1. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Lever. Why I like it? Not everyone has a deadbolt or wants a deadbolt replacement to get smart lock features. I'm impressed with Schlage's alternative, a smart Wi-Fi lever to replace your current door handle and still provide many of the same amenities. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you set up to 100 entry codes, customize notifications, review activity logs, and schedule auto-locking. The lock primarily focuses on code entry with app management, but it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for additional voice control options. Number 2. Yale Assure Lock 2. Yale's lock is compact, sturdy, has an excellent app, and works with multiple smart home platforms, including Apple Home/HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It offers nearly everything a modern smart lock should. Without the bulky design some locks can suffer from, ideal for those who want both form and function. In addition to the keypad and app control, it also supports Apple Home keys and digital passes. There are several different styles depending on the look you want for your lock. Number 3. Level Lock Plus. At a glance, no one would know that this level lock has tech features, but the small lock includes app support, a contactless keycard included, and Apple Home/HomeKey support. I found it easy to install without the bulky attachments of many locks, making it more suitable. It also works with other smart home brands like Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, so you'll have lots of options to control this invisible smart lock. Who is this for? Buyers who want a smart lock, Apple Home, and HomeKey fans. People who like waving a magic key card at their door. Number 4. Eufy Video Smart Lock E330. Video locks are one of the big new home security trends in 2025, combining video doorbells and smart locks into one rather large, do-it-all device for the front door. With the right entryway, they're a fascinating alternative. Eufy has released one of the first lines available to consumers, a powerful model with a rechargeable battery, a 2K camera, and Eufy's object recognition for noticing humans, animals, etc. The E330 has a keypad, a fingerprint reader for access, and a doorbell chime. It can also store video on board. Number 5. Lockly Visage Xeno Series Lock. Lockly's Visage Lock has the most expansive unlock options I've seen, from face recognition to fingerprints and codes in an ever-shifting Genie keypad touchscreen, so you can't memorize finger placement, only numbers. It also works innately with the Apple Home app and Home keys, plus Google and Amazon, making this an excellent choice for Apple fans of all kinds. The lock operates on rechargeable batteries and comes with an extra battery, so you don't need to worry about losing power. Please comment and share with us your best smart door lock you use. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.